Picks of the week.
Everybody's talking about cheap mics. What can you get? What's good? I get asked this all the time, and we recommended the ATR2100 a couple of months ago on the show. It's a mic just like this. It's actually identical to this. This is the AT2005 by Audio-Technica. It is the pro version of the ATR2100. Now, the only real big difference is the pop filter. People claim that it's better. Now, this is a dynamic mic. I bought it for $50 on Amazon, and I'm gonna test it right now. It's a great mic. It's both XLR and USB. You could also pop in a headphone in this thing and monitor everything going through it. So you could hear yourself. It kind of eliminates the purpose of a mixer if you just have a laptop. But I'm gonna hook it up now, and I'm gonna see if you guys what you guys think of the audio. Now, I am behind a gate. I'm behind a compressor and a gate, so it's a little skewed, my version, but I could turn it off too. So here we go. There we hello. All right, so I have to put the volume up on the mic, but this is what it sounds like. And obviously, I haven't played around with the settings on my board, but it's a $50 microphone, and I think it sounds great for what it is. I actually think that this sounds better than some of the mics I have in my studio right now.
It sounds very good. I heard a couple of breath pops, but you can put a pop filter over it. But
yeah, I would have to put a pop filter on this thing, but if
for the price and what you get out of it.
Yeah, I mean it sounds equivalent to
there's a pop filter.
All
right. So I just put a pop filter on this thing, and you don't hear any popping. It sounds. I'm really impressed by this microphone. It was $49.
Wow.
When I got it. I haven't tuned it, obviously. Let me turn off the gate to see if that makes a difference. Yeah, I mean, you hear the hollowness of the room a little bit. It actually sounds better with the gate off, with the compression off. So that's interesting. But
you got a little bit of mid-range back.
Yeah. I got mid, and this kind of kills the mid. I guess I got to play around with the settings. But it's a phenomenal mic, and I have to tell you, the build quality on this thing is unbelievable. It feels like a sturdy, heavy microphone. I mean, it feels like a pro-level mic.
And I love that if you plug in headphones to it, you can hear yourself. You can monitor yourself live.
I can monitor myself live. Yeah,
that's great. I mean, that used to be a feature that you get with like one of those blue mics, like it's sitting over your shoulder, which were way more expensive.
Sure, $50. It's the AT2005 USB by Audio-Technica. You could go via USB mode or XLR. I tried both, and I kind of feel that it sounds better on XLR, but that could also be a placebo effect. Most people probably wouldn't even know the difference, but I think this is a superb microphone for anybody getting into podcasting, or they just want something good for Skype. This is the one to get. For $50, you can't go wrong. I know Blue makes a couple of microphones like the Yeti. Samson makes a couple of these mics. I think this is much better than what anybody else is putting on the market. Audio-Technica AT2005 is the mic, and that's my pick of the week.